Greg, let's do Chris.
Chris, pocket dump.
Gunfucius.
All right, I'll pocket dump. So we got the Bose earbuds. That's it.
Now that looks
Straight pimping, dude.
Yeah, I know. It's not anything obscene. There you go.
it's not tactical, bro.
All right. So I got more stuff here besides that.
Do you have a gun on
He
you?
has my phone, which.
Do you have a gun?
Yeah, I know. Where did it start?
Oh, sorry, sir.
There we go.
Ooh.
We got the Ruger LCP2 with a
What is
finish.
It's
take
shiny.
that out of there. We just
All right.
save that.
Check it, everybody. Clear.
Clear.
There we go. Right there.
Wow, look at that bad boy.
Some hydro shocks.
Is this special edition or what?
It is. I forget what it is. I think it's Talo.
Yeah,
This is a nice looking.
Halo edition.
Let's
Really
see.
nice.
Can't forget the trusty little blades. Oops, one that doesn't work. Then you can't forget the trusty blade.
Jesus, dude.
Trusty
And
blade
you can't
number
get
3.
the trusty blade.
Stand by.
You can't forget the trusty blade.
Stand by.
Bro, you're just cutting boxes, right?
We think. The trusty blade. And you can't forget that trusty blade.
Jesus Christ.
That's a good
This
thing
is why my pants are so heavy. So
It's a good thing we
Feel
didn't.
bad for your wife.
We got a couple of Raven Crests. Tactical.
Good thing we didn't ask you to get ready for fucking pocket dump day.
I know, right?
All right, so there you have it. That's what Chris carries. Way to go, Gunfucius. Looks like you're Knife Fucius.
Knife Fucius.